Hello, welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to fix the behavior of the cubes when I am spawning the cubes. You can see that if I click play and I save my game and then I spawn new cubes, when I load the game those cubes should be destroyed, but right now if I click load the cubes will still be there. So in this video I'm going to fix this behavior. But before starting, let's change how this third-person character is saving and loading its data, so we can move more freely when we save and load our game. I'm going to save only the VPC dummy component and the CGD autosave and load component. So I'm going to copy these two components and set it here. I'm going to save it. I'm going to save both components, and by default I'm not going to save any component. So right now if I save and load my game, the transform will not be saved and loaded. And well, this is an error because the variable was not saved first. So in this case, I don't want to save the physics simulation state of the character neither. So I'm going to disconnect the save variables and the load variables macros. So at this point, this character should not be saving the transform of the physics simulation state. At this point, it's only saving the CGD autosave and load component and the VPC dummy. And you see it's working. I can move more freely now. Now it's time to fix the behavior of the actor. So as I showed you before, when I click play and save the game and spawn new actors, if I load the game, those actors are not being destroyed. So I'm going to fix this behavior. You can see that there is an option here that says destroy actor on load game if was not saved. If I check this option and I save the game, I spawn new actors and I load the game, the actors are disappearing, but it is working at this point. But if you add a new actor in the world, this actor will be destroyed. So you probably don't want this behavior, so I'm going to delete the save file. And you can see that the actor is, well, if right now if I save the game and I close and I add new actors, the new actors that are added in the game after saving will be destroyed. So you probably don't want this behavior, so I'm going to uncheck this option. And as you can change the state of this option in runtime, I'm going to set to get the component when I'm spawning a new cube, get CGD autosave and load component. I am going to set the property restore actor load to true, so all the new actors that are spawned in runtime will have this behavior, will be destroyed, but the actors that are placed in the world while in the editor will not be destroyed. So you can see that if I add a new actor after saving, the actor is not disappearing, and if I spawn actors and I load, the actors are disappearing. So right now at this point everything is working correctly. Also, there are two events that are related to this option. The event on begin destroy or load if actor wasn't saved, and the events on actor unchanged after load. So I'm going to print a message in both cases. I'm going to say destroy it, and I'm going to set the color to red, and when the actor is unchanged after load, I'm going to print unchanged. So now if I click play, you can see that the actors that are spawned in the world will call this event when they are destroyed, and the new actors I place in the world will call the event unchanged. You can use these events to customize the functionality of the plugin. So for now, I'm just going to delete it and make sure everything is correct. Now I'm just going to delete all these cubes. And if I click play, well, the cube will be loaded because the save file is still there. So if I delete it and I click play, everything will be okay. Now everything is working okay. I'm going to wrap up this video and let's continue in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.